How to update YouTube app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your YouTube app if you have an old version or you don't have a specific new options. So all what you have to do is so simple, just keep watching. First thing, go to Play Store, go to the search bar and search for YouTube like this, then click. Now it will take you to this page. All what you have to do now is click on the YouTube again right here, and all what you have to do is see the last updated. If there is a new update, you will find update from here on this green section. After you click on update on the green section, your YouTube app will be start updating. And yeah, so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later. Thank you so much.